Back at Kirk Ronan, Sir Topham Hatt was talking to Eagle just as Matthew, Clive, and Neil arrived back. "Sir," said Neil, "I think we found ourselves the perfect place to work." "And where is it?" asked Sir Topham Hatt. "We were thinking that we could work at Olmsted Castle." Sir Topham Hatt looked at them and thought for a moment. "That sounds like a splendid idea," he said. "I'll make the arrangements this evening." As he walked inside one of the coaches, Eagle was about to set off. "Looks like you've made the right choice in finding yourselves a place to work," said Eagle. And he screamed away. The next day, Sir Topham Hatt came to see the engines. "I can understand that 3 of the engines who have been working here wanted to find a new place since more passengers have been increasing. And so, I've thought of making some decisions. From now on, Clive, Neil, and Matthew will be working at Olmsted Castle. Also, since Eagle has been working so hard in the main line for the past few months, he shall get to be working on the Kirk Ronan line." "Thank you for letting me work on this line, sir," said Eagle. "It was not a problem at all," said Sir Topham Hatt. And so, Clive, Neil, and Matthew left to Olmsted Castle. "I wonder who will be taking some more mixed traffic services on this line," asked Barnaby. "That depends," said Fergus. "We'll have to wait and see for ourselves." "I hope they're useful," added Eagle. After that, Barnaby and Eagle now happily greet each other as they would pass by with their passengers and freight trains on the Kirk Ronan line. While they worked on it, while Clive, Neil, and Matthew worked at Olmsted Castle and showed the visitors a tour of the dinosaur park, they enjoyed it, and they soon became friends with Stephen and Millie, and they already knew Glenn from long ago. There was some light work, but the 3 small green engines didn't mind. They knew that they found the right place for them to work. And after that, the 3 engines now feel that they have come to a new home on the island of Sodor.